Your hybrid battery is the heart and soul of your hybrid vehicle, and it's also the most expensive part to replace. So it's very important that you choose an option that's best for you, and who you choose to buy it from is just as important. Hi, I'm Chris with Electron Hybrid Solutions. We've been helping hybrid owners make more informed and value-based decisions for over a decade. While many other remanufacturers focus on being the lowest price, which comes with low quality and warranties that aren't always honored, Electron focuses on our clients with long-lasting, quality hybrid batteries while still being the best value that you can rely on. Other hybrid battery manufacturers might make similar claims, but no one other than Electron Hybrid Solutions can claim to use our proprietary technology and testing strategies. Our advanced testing and diagnostic technology allows us to see into every single cell in great detail, so we select only the ones that meet high standards. The testing and revitalization process can take up to 5 days, but this is the best way to produce a high-quality hybrid battery and allows us to maximize the potential of every cell. In order to create a high-performing battery, it'll need to be optimally matched and balanced, which allows for even more performance and stability over the years. Let's take a closer look at what goes on in our testing and why Electron should be your preferred choice for a hybrid battery. So this is a battery module, and it's made of 6 individual cells, or 6 individual batteries. Now you have to be able to test every one of these, because if you have just one fail, the entire battery is going to stop working properly and all of your lights are going to come back on. But how do you test each individual cell if you can only connect to the first one and the last one? And to make it even more complex, how do you perform 11 different tests on each individual cell when you can't connect to all of them? That is what we have figured out, and that's what gives us the advantage. If you're looking for a top performing hybrid battery that you can rely on, and all at an affordable price, then you have come to the right place. We have grown our business using quality materials, professionally trained ASE certified hybrid technicians, and cutting edge technology. For over a decade, we've been earning our customers' trust one day at a time. So we invite you to experience Electron and see how it feels to have a company actually earn your business instead of taking it for granted. Thank you very much for choosing Electron Hybrid Solutions.